Haribo Gummy Bears, with their vibrant colors, fruity flavors, and chewy texture, are a globally recognized candy that delights consumers of all ages. Though they may appear simple as small bear-shaped sweets, their production involves a highly controlled process of ingredient selection, precise formulation, and modern manufacturing techniques. From raw material sourcing to cooking, flavoring, and molding, each gummy bear reflects meticulous attention to quality, consistency, and safety. The production process begins with sourcing the raw ingredients that meet strict quality standards. Gummy bears are primarily made from sugar, glucose syrup, gelatin, fruit juice concentrates or flavoring agents, citric acid, and food colorings. Each ingredient is carefully evaluated for purity, consistency, and suitability for candy manufacturing. Sugar and glucose syrup are tested for crystallization properties and moisture content to ensure a smooth, elastic candy base. Gelatin, which provides the signature chewiness, is examined for bloom strength and purity, as variations can affect texture and shelf life. Once ingredients are approved, the gummy mixture is prepared. Industrial kettles or cooking vessels combine sugar, glucose syrup, and water, heating the mixture under precise temperature control. Mechanical agitators stir continuously to prevent burning, crystallization, or uneven consistency. The cooking process dissolves sugar crystals and creates a homogeneous syrup, forming the base that will later incorporate gelatin, flavors, and acids. Temperature and cooking time are carefully monitored to ensure the syrup reaches the correct viscosity for molding. After the base is prepared, gelatin is added while the mixture is maintained at a controlled temperature to allow full hydration. Gelatin must be evenly dissolved to produce a smooth, elastic texture. Inadequate mixing or temperature control can result in a gummy that is too soft, too firm, or has an uneven consistency. This step is critical because the gelatin network gives gummy bears their characteristic chew, allowing them to hold their shape during molding and subsequent handling. Once gelatin is incorporated, the mixture is cooled slightly before flavorings, fruit juice concentrates, acids, and colorings are added. Flavoring agents are carefully balanced to provide distinct fruity profiles such as raspberry, orange, lemon, pineapple, and strawberry. Citric acid is included to enhance tartness and complement the sweetness, while colorings are blended to achieve bright, consistent hues. Quality control ensures uniform dispersion of all ingredients, so each gummy bear delivers the same taste, aroma, and appearance. After flavoring, the mixture is maintained at a pourable consistency for molding. This stage is critical, as the viscosity must be high enough to hold its shape, but low enough to fill molds completely. Automated pumps transfer the gummy mixture to depositors, which precisely fill bear-shaped molds made of cornstarch or silicone. Molds are designed to capture intricate details of each bear, including ears, eyes, and paws. The depositors measure each portion with precision, ensuring uniform size and weight for every gummy bear produced. The molding process involves specialized starch or silicone molds arranged on trays or continuous belts. If cornstarch molds are used, the gummy mixture is deposited into small impressions in a powder bed that prevents sticking and helps maintain shape during setting. Excess mixture is removed, and the trays move to a controlled environment to cool and solidify. Gelatin sets as the. During molding, quality control is integrated to inspect size, shape, and surface texture. Any gummy bears with air bubbles, incomplete formation, or defects are removed before moving to the next stage. Sampling panels may evaluate chewiness, flavor, and consistency, ensuring that each batch meets Haribo's strict standards. Proper inspection at this stage is essential, as defects in shape or texture can affect consumer satisfaction and the appearance of packaged products. Once molded and inspected, gummy bears are ready for removal from their molds. In cornstarch molding, trays are brushed or shaken gently to release the candies, while silicone molds may allow easy popping of each piece. The candies retain the intricate details of the mold while preserving the soft, chewy texture that Haribo is known for. At this stage, the gummy bears have transitioned from raw ingredients into recognizable, high-quality candies, prepared for the next steps of coating, drying, and packaging. By the end of Chunk 1, Haribo Gummy Bears have been transformed from individual raw ingredients into flavorful, colorful, molded candies. The meticulous preparation of the gummy base, careful mixing of gelatin, flavoring and coloring, and precision molding ensure that each bear maintains the texture, chewiness, and visual appeal that consumers expect. Every piece reflects the expertise of food scientists, engineers, and production teams who carefully manage each stage to deliver consistent, high-quality candy. After molding, the gummy bears enter the cooling stage, where they are allowed to set fully and achieve their characteristic chewy consistency. Cooling is carefully controlled in temperature and humidity to prevent the candies from sticking together or becoming overly soft. Trays of molded gummies are moved through cooling tunnels with regulated airflow, ensuring even solidification. Proper cooling is essential, as uneven setting can lead to texture inconsistencies or minor surface imperfections that affect both appearance and consumer experience. Once cooled, the gummy bears are often coated with a thin layer of food-grade oil, such as carnauba wax or coconut oil. This coating prevents the candies from sticking together or to machinery during packaging, while also enhancing shine and visual appeal. Large tumbling drums rotate gently to ensure an even application on each piece. Excess coating is removed to prevent greasiness, and quality control checks monitor layer consistency to maintain uniformity across all batches. Following coating, the candies undergo final inspection for quality. Automated cameras, weight sensors, and human checks identify defective pieces, such as those with missing limbs, air bubbles, or uneven coloring. Faulty gummies are removed or recycled into the next production batch when possible. Sample tasting panels may also evaluate chewiness, flavor, and overall consistency to ensure that every batch meets Haribo's high-quality standards before packaging. The next stage is packaging, designed to preserve freshness, flavor, and texture. Gummy bears are typically portioned into bags or boxes, depending on the product line. Automated machinery fills each package with precise amounts and seals it to prevent exposure to air, moisture, or contaminants. Packaging is carried out in a controlled environment to maintain hygiene and prevent damage to the. Once individual packages are sealed, they are organized into larger cartons or multi-packs for retail distribution. Automated systems ensure correct counts and alignment for palletization. Pallets are secured to prevent crushing or shifting during storage and shipping. Warehouses maintain controlled temperature and humidity to ensure that the gummies retain their chewy texture and bright colors until they reach retailers or consumers. Logistics are carefully coordinated to maintain quality throughout the supply chain. Distribution is crucial to maintaining product integrity. Transportation routes are planned to avoid extreme temperatures or prolonged storage that could affect texture or flavor. Inventory management systems track batches for traceability and monitor shelf life, ensuring that stores receive fresh, high-quality gummies. These measures guarantee that every consumer experiences the same consistency, flavor, and texture that Haribo is known for worldwide. Innovation continues to be a focus at Haribo. Product developers experiment with new fruity flavor profiles, multi-flavor combinations, and seasonal additions. Advances in gelatin formulation, mold design, and coating techniques improve texture, color vibrancy, and shelf life. Packaging innovations, such as resealable pouches or eco-friendly materials, enhance convenience while protecting product integrity. Each improvement is rigorously tested to maintain the signature quality of Haribo Gummy Bears. Sustainability is integrated into the production process. Ingredients like sugar and gelatin are sourced responsibly, considering ethical farming, water conservation, and environmental impact. Factories employ energy-efficient cooking equipment, recycling systems, and water-saving measures. Packaging is increasingly recyclable, reducing environmental impact without compromising freshness or safety. These practices allow Haribo to produce a popular candy while minimizing ecological footprint. Despite advanced automation, human expertise remains essential. Food scientists, engineers, quality assurance specialists, and packaging operators collaborate at every stage. Machines provide speed and precision, but humans detect subtle variations in texture, color, or appearance that require adjustment. This combination of technology and human oversight ensures every bag meets Haribo's high standards for consistency, taste, and enjoyment. Ultimately, each bag of Haribo Gummy Bears represents a carefully coordinated journey from raw ingredients to finished candy. The colorful, chewy bears with vibrant fruity flavors result from precise gelatin incorporation, controlled molding, careful coating, and rigorous quality control. Every piece embodies the expertise, innovation, and dedication of the production teams, delivering a consistent and iconic candy experience. From factory to retail shelf, Haribo Gummy Bears exemplify the craftsmanship, science, and creativity behind a beloved treat.